Hey guys, good morning. So welcome back guys to our channel. So today guys, we will be unboxing this one. This is our Speedlite. Kuha lang ako ng kunting. Okay, so this is our Speedlite guys. Purpose of this Speedlite is for exposure. So hindi pa dumating yung ano natin, yung camera. So mas nauna pa dumating yung mga accessories. But later on natin guys, i-compile natin yung videos yung pag-unbox natin ng battery grip. Yan. Ito yung Tamron 70 to 30-100 mm. Yan, yung telephoto lens for photography outside, no, long range. So ito yung Speedlite guys, Andoer yung brand. Yan. Ito. Yeah, Andoer. I think this is the most affordable na nabili natin in less than 1,000. I think mga 1,400. Ito, yan. So, hindi kasama yung battery dito guys. Yan. So again, once again, the reason why we are taking the video guys is para we have proof if ever or just in case magkaroon na issue. Yan. So, it comes with a manual and then looks like a warranty card. But as far as I know guys, yung mga Speedlite may mayroon silang parang they have also a lifetime limit. There's always a limit. So this is the manual. So it's in English. Alright. And wow, I like this one guys. It comes with a stand. And so this one has a remote control shutter. So if you will use this one, you can still place this somewhere else, no, to expose your subjects. So there's a bag which I like for this one is for storage. Okay. Carrying pouch. Yeah. It's like a cotton. And this is the stand guys. So we will now remove it from the plastic. We also bought a battery guys. EDL, a chargeable battery. Pero hindi ko siya dumating. Haven't tried yet. So this is the standard. Can you see it?